For anything to become a reality, it has to occur in our minds first. For an architect, the building and every detail of it is first precisely planned and imagined by him. Before he even starts constructing it in the real world, it is first done in the mental world. A similar and superior form of this is this universe, where we all live. There is no disagreement that it was also once thought and imagined before it ever became a reality. The architect of the universe exists in every element of the universe, and thus this architect also dwells in all of us. We are universal beings, so it's only factual to say that we possess the same powers as the universe. The only difference is the degree. By the end of this video, your degree to utilize this power to create the life of your dreams and the future of your will increase a lot more than the ordinary individual you were before. And constant practice of the processes and techniques discussed here will further strengthen that degree and power. Your life isn't the cause you must react to. In fact, it's the effect of a cause going on inside of you, your subconscious mind. Whatever our subconscious accepts as true is what it directly shows us. The circumstances, conditions, people, opportunities, pleasures, and pains. You can make any purposeful desire as your reality. Limitations only exist in the material world. But by what we have learned so far, the material world is just the effect. The source, the spiritual realm, that is your mind, which is the cause, has infinite resources. Cost, material, plans, everything. Your thoughts become reality. And in order to call upon those infinite resources, the divine power to align your world with your thoughts, you have to become the master of your thoughts. The core of the law is whatever your subconscious accepts as true will be your reality. Every action we perform, from big ones to even lifting a finger, is the result of conscious thought. And when we repeat that action enough, it becomes habitual, it becomes automatic, and the thought that controls it passes into the realm of the subconscious. The mind is always working to bring to fruition every powerful will in order to crystallize thoughts and desires into actions, circumstances, and conditions. Hence, it is important for our thoughts to become automatic and pass into the subconscious in order to make them a habit, hence a true fact. The physical representation of that will be presented to you without any failure. Thus, our core task becomes to implant our thoughts into the subconscious. Follow this simple process to sow the seeds of your desired reality directly in your subconscious. First of all, be crystal clear on what you want. Then, we'll pass this desire into our subconscious. Lastly, commit inspired actions. The first step sounds simple, but most of the people do it wrong. It's not enough to know what you want, but to know it in exact quantity, senses, visuals, and form. There should be a one and only one scene that you know you will see once your desire comes true. The second step is the actual sauce. There are several techniques to impress our subconscious mind with the thoughts we want. As discussed earlier, what is repeated enough becomes automatic, meaning it slips into the subconscious mind. So, obviously, one method is repetition. Frame a short sentence or a word that signifies the completion of your desire, like freedom for money, or I make this amount every month, to be specific. It's important to get as much repetition of this as possible. Saying it 100 times throughout the day is a practice that is proven to work. Although if you can manage to write it down, it will work at an even higher speed, as the touch of the hand and paper affects our brain's wiring. What you write enough times gets wired in your brain. There are plenty more methods to do this, like journaling, scripting, affirmations, subliminals, etc. But I will discuss the one that is the most powerful and has always proven its might over every other method to me and to all others for hundreds of years, which is also the core of this video. Visualization, it's the making of a visual, an image of your desired state in your mind. Make it as clear and clean-cut as possible. Hold it firmly, and you will gradually and constantly bring the thing nearer to you. You can be what you will to be, but the results follow only for those who commit to serious practice. Do it daily. Spend as much time as you can to make the image as real as possible. Feel the exact emotion you would feel when your desire becomes your reality. Emotions are the portal that teleports our desire from this material, powerless world to the one with infinite powers. And this holding of an image, making it clearer day by day, is what Charles F. Honnell has called hard mental labor, the kind of effort which so few are willing to put forth. The last step is just to stay aligned. It's not something you need to do. It's in fact proof that you have successfully impressed your subconscious mind when you stop feeling the lack of what you want and naturally feel inspired to do certain things you didn't like to do before, or certain new circumstances that feel good to happen. This is also the phase that many call let go. But contrary to the advice that states let go is something you do, the reality is letting go is the byproduct of talking to the higher realm, the subconscious. Keep on with the process until one day you naturally feel alive and don't think about what you want anymore. That's the moment your dream has become your reality and will present itself to you anytime. The time it will take depends on the degree of faith you have on your desires being true. But the biggest problem in this is not every person can visualize. No matter how hard they try, they can't form the image at all, or they just can't see themselves doing what hasn't happened just yet. Another problem is beliefs. If you have age-old emotional blocks, it won't be easy for your mind to just start emitting emotions on visuals you made up or write on paper. And this causes delay in your manifestation to occur. These are very common problems, and we have had them since the age of 2. When we started registering our experiences and the corresponding emotional responses to our minds, I had the same problem, so I locked myself in my room until I found a solution. And I did. Watch this video where I teach you how to break all your blocks and master visualization.